See, you have a beautiful lashes also. Hi habibty, welcome back to my channel with Afni shiroji. So for today's video, I'm gonna give you tips how I create my lashes. It's so pretty. So if you want to know how I create for this curly volume for my lashes, don't forget for subscribe and don't forget to give us like. So without further ado, let's move on to the video. So first of all, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my favorite one mascara. Like this one, I'm gonna use Catrice Cosmetic, and then you're gonna need cotton like this, like clean cotton, and you're gonna need spoolie. Like you can using any spoolie that you have. I think I'm gonna using Catrice one because they're like small spoolie. So what I'm gonna do, like it's first layer, I'm gonna do it on my left side. This is my natural lashes, as you can see. So I'm gonna do to my left side first. Like this is first layer. And then with your spoolie, you grab one cotton like this, and you see this, you just grab like this. And when you got like this, you see this amount of cotton, you just put on your lashes. And after that, you grab another one for the second layer. This is the second layer that I have, and you can using also for the bottom of your lashes, like you're doing the same thing exactly like what I do. You just do it again. So if you want a more longer or you want more vibe in your lashes, you just grab more and then you do the same thing. This one is really safe. I mean, for the some Muslim, they say fake lashes is a haram. So for me, what I'm doing, I'm just trying to thinking how I can make my lashes really curl and really beautiful, like long lashes and like, you know, like really big. So this is the alternative that for some of you still confused, is that false lashes is a haram or not. But for me, myself, personally, I'm not using any fake lashes at all. I never using fake lashes. This is what I'm doing. How I build my beautiful lashes. So you can compare to my right side and my left side, like take a look. This is the one that I'm using cotton and mascara like layer. This one is without, like as you can see in my left side, it look like I'm using fake lashes, but actually I'm not using any fake lashes. Even I'm going backward, like going back like this far, you still can see my lashes. It's so pretty. And if you want to remove this, you're just using like oil remover. It's really easy to remove. For me, I'm gonna do like 3 or 4 layer because some it's depend on you. Like you have a really long day to meet somebody, like you going to party, or yeah, mostly like you graduate it. Like, you know, for a Muslim, I'm just making something new. This is how I do my lashes. Even still, you know, to have a really long curly lashes, It's really beautiful. It's really pretty that you can build up. You see, I'm using the Catrice one. It's really pretty. I really love this one. So you can, I'm doing one because you can doing the comparison. See how pretty it is? So I'm gonna back to you and I'm gonna finish the other lashes so you can see how I look like. So this is the final look of how I create my false lashes. It's look like really volume. It's give you really big volume, and it's so easy, so simple, really safe for your eyes. You just need one spoolie, like cotton pad like this, and your favorite mascara. Like you can build 3 to 4, even if you want a more like this. For me it's get enough. Like I'm just make it 3 to 4 layer. It's really beautiful and it's so easy to clean. And you know, it's for some Muslim, they're still thinking, is that fake lashes, is it haram or it's not? So for me, I'm just trying to share to you how I create my lashes like this. It's so pretty, and hope you enjoy watching my video. Habibty, have a good day. Bye.